Welcome to EDU World Space.
Hello everyone. In this problem, we required the torque of 30 Newton meter along x-axis. We have to calculate how much force to be applied by the foot at B point to develop this torque. Suppose this point is A. Now we will, for the position vector AB, and its value will be, all values we are converting, all these are given in millimeter, but we are converting in meter. So position vector AB, similar as we have calculated in the previous problem. So this value can be written as 0.25 J cap meter. Now force in the vertical plane of x and making angle 60 degree. So this could be written in vector form. F can be written as F cos of 60 J cap, because this force lies in the yz plane perpendicular to x and making angle 60 degree. So this will be F cos 60 J cap minus F sin 60 K cap. Now on solving it, we can write this force to be 0.5 F J cap minus 0.867 K cap. Sorry, just a moment. Here I have to write the value of into F K cap. Sorry. Now we have to find the moment of force about x-axis. It is defined as dot product of I cap with cross product of AB cross F. This value already we know, it is given 30 Newton meter. Now this is the scalar triple product that I have to solve. I cap, J cap, K cap, substitute the value of AB, that is 0.25 force 0.5 F minus I have written here wrongly. X component of force is 0, so this is 0.5 F and minus 0.86. Just a moment please. F. Now solve this. On solving, right hand side we will get minus 0.2165 F. So value of F will be 139 Newton. So this is the force required. Thank you.